Today, let me show you how to make healthy swallow by using just 2 ingredients. If you have been thinking on how to eat healthy, stay in shape and watch your diet, this video is for you. So let's get started. These are the 2 ingredients we'll be using for this swallow, just beetroot and oats. First of all, I'm going to start by measuring 2 cups of oats into my blender. This is the blender I'm going to be using. It's very good, so feel free to use any strong dry blender of your choice that you know can blend it smoothly. Now there are 2 ways you can achieve this. You can either do it this way, or you can just blend the oats and the beetroot together at once, depending on the kind of blender you have. So I'm just going to cover that up now and start blending to a smooth powder. Now I'm done blending. I think at this point it is smooth enough, so I'm just going to check it out to see how smooth it is and then set it aside and start peeling the beetroot. I'm using 6 beetroots. You can use more if you want, so I've already washed it. I'm just going to start peeling all of it and then cut them into smaller bits so it will be easy for my blender to blend smoothly. And here we go. So I'm going to start blending it now. Please, emphasis on very smooth. You must blend it to be very smooth in order to have a very good swallow. Here is the oat we blended earlier. I will mix it up with some water to the consistency that I want the swallow to be. So please do not add too much water so that it will not be too watery. Now I'm done blending. I'm going to pour that into a clean pot on the stove and begin to stir continuously so it does not form any lumps. You can see here that it has begun to thicken up. I will continue stirring it that way until it's finally taken up this way. You can see our swallow is ready. This swallow is very good and has a lot of health benefits. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? These 2 combos supports heart health, aids weight management, stabilizes blood sugar levels, improves digestion and gut health, provides long-lasting energy and supports healthy skin. Let me know in the comments if you are going to make this one of your favorite swallow. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Share with your friends. Let them also know about this healthy swallow. You remember that soup we made last time? That is what I'm going to be pairing up with this healthy swallow. So thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next one with another beautiful recipe. Bye bye.